Hey everybody, it's Neil. Check out what I have here. I have what's called a challenge coin. So these are little coins that would be for hitting certain milestones or something like that. So this one here says, it's St. Christopher, protect us. So this is kind of a little bit of a religious coin here. And this one here is a money clip. They give you it as a money clip. So it's a little challenge coin money clip, or you could clip it to anything, I guess. You just stick it on your desk. It's just a reminder to stay on the clean and narrow path, which is good. And it looks like it's made of some sort of like pewter, maybe. It looks like it. Probably, I don't know if they even make pewter anymore, but this is it here. See, let's zoom in. There you go. You can kind of see that is what it looks like there, and the back there. Sorry, it just isn't doing it good, but there we go. So that's it. Really nice. Came in a little package here. So if you need a little challenge coin money clip, this one here looks nice to me. Thumbs up.